Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is a bit of a different type of video. I'm not using my regular camera setup. This video is being shot entirely with my phone, my Samsung Galaxy S10. I got like a little bit of a makeshift vlogging setup here, so I'm just giving it a try. This entire video has been shot with the S10 from start to finish, so I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. It's not using my regular Canon DSLR, so I hope you guys notice the difference. If there is any difference, whether it's good or bad, let me know in the comment section down below before we can actually get into this video. And I'd like to give a massive thank you to my girlfriend for recording me while I was driving, and thank you so much for being a part of the channel. Thank you so much for always motivating me and giving me the best advice possible wherever I need it, whenever I go wrong. So thank you so much. I love you. Now today's video is going to be slightly different compared to what I did last. Last was the maintenance video, and that was just a sneak peek. That will be coming soon. I just want to make sure everything is as accurate as possible. I don't want to leave out anything that I've done to the car. So that will be coming. Just bear with me on that. That should come out probably in the next 2 videos or so. Today's video is about cruise control. How often do you use cruise control? Is it all the time, on long runs? I'd like to know your feedback in the comment section down below. What is it that you find about the cruise control that's actually helpful, not helpful, stuff like that. Now before we get into it, what is cruise control? Cruise control is a computer-based system that automatically controls the speed of the vehicle, allowing you to maintain the speed that is set by the driver using servo mechanics. It also allows you to increase or decrease the speed based on your need, whether you want to actually deactivate or activate the cruise control to modulate the speed. Newer cars, unlike mine, have a special display that allows you to see exactly how much of the cruise control or what speed you are setting it at. But however, with my car, it's a bit different. You actually basically have to judge it based on the gauge itself, whereas it doesn't have that digital output like the LCIs or the newer model BMWs. I personally don't use it as often because I prefer driving the vehicle on my own. But as you can see, it's going to be very simple. Now I'm just going to cut through all of the driving scenes so you guys can see the cruise control in action. And if you have any comments down below or any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. So here's a few days back. First things first, we're going to activate the cruise control. I don't know why I'm thinking launch control, but we're going to activate the cruise control. I'm currently driving at about 80 km an hour. So to activate the cruise control, all you're going to do is you're going to push this lever forward. This is hardly ever used, so all we're going to do is I'm just going to leave the accelerator and I'm going to push this forward. Right now the vehicle is speeding up from 80 on its own, and it's up to about 100. And right now it's cruising at a steady 100 kilometers an hour. The computer is maintaining fuel economy as well as engine RPM and speed. Now you can decrease this by pulling it back. This will cause the vehicle to stop accelerating until you let go, and it will continue to speed up once again. You can increase it till you actually want to desired speed. Up to now it's still doing its own thing, it's still continuing. So and to deactivate it, all we can do is either flick it up or down. There's 2 arrows on the actual controller itself. I'm just going to flick it down, and right now the vehicle is back onto normal engine power. You are back in control of the car. Now the reason why I don't personally use the cruise control is it is easier for me to modulate the accelerator, to modulate how much of fuel I'm using, and so I can let the vehicle coast under load if needed, or if I want to increase the speed on my own, if I needed to rapidly increase the speed, if I need to accelerate or overtake in certain situations. Okay. Now that we're on an open road, I'm going to redo everything. We're cruising at 80 km an hour on an open road. Okay. I'm going to activate the cruise control right now, and I'm going to bring it up to regular highway speed just by flicking the controller and holding it forward. Right now it's up a hill, so the computer is actually working out how much of acceleration is actually needed. In events like this, you'll want to do it on your own by actually hitting the kick down on the throttle pedal itself. But right now, without doing any movement on my feet, now at highway speed at 120 kilometers an hour, that's road legal speed limit. And now I'm going to take an off ramp right now, and I'm going to need to deactivate it. I'm going to use this controller and flick it down. It's actually going to deactivate the cruise control, which allows me to have full control over the vehicle once again. I hope you guys found that video informative, and if you have any questions, like I said, leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Also, do consider subscribing to the channel for more automotive content, more in store for this BMW E90. we are getting this car ready for Gas Motor Show in the next few days, next few weeks, because we have a deadline of till June, and I need to get it done before the beginning of June. Even though the show is the mid-month, around the 13th, I need to get this thing done as soon as possible. So leave your comments down below as to what would you like to see done. There are a lot of things that need to be changed, such as the headlight bulb that needs to be replaced, even though surprisingly it started working from the last time. So I need to get that addressed. I need to do the headliner, which I need to sort out. It's sagging at the throughout the entire thing, and I need to get a few other things buttoned up, like the car needs a polish, it needs to be cleaned and detailed inside and out, and there are certain modifications I want to get done. So leave your comments down below as to what you would like to see done, and I hope to guys see you. If you're in Durban around June, I'd like to see you guys pop in around and hopefully get this car on display, and you can actually pop in and see the car for yourself. Now, I know there are a couple of people that know the car personally. Now you're going to see this from what it is now to what it's going to be then. I don't know what the future holds, but I really hope it's something going to be completely different. But like I said, thank you so much for all you guys' support. Leave your comments down below, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.